Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to clear data in Telegram. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on Settings. This will open a menu with various options to customize your Telegram experience. Then, find and tap on Data and Storage from the list. This is where you can manage your app's data settings. Now tap on Storage Usage. This section shows how much space Telegram is using on your device. Here, you will see an option labeled Clear Entire Cache. Go ahead and tap on it. A confirmation pop-up might appear asking if you're sure. Confirm the action by tapping Clear Cache again. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Telegram data, freeing up space on your device. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.